Meaning of guilder.
Gilder.
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 Guilder. The guilder, also known as the Dutch gulden, was the currency of the Netherlands until it was replaced by the euro in 2002. It was first introduced in the 17th century during the Dutch Golden Age and became an important currency in international trade due to the Netherlands' economic power at the time. The name guilder comes from the Middle Dutch word for golden. Today, while the guilder is no longer in use, it remains an important part of Dutch history and culture, and examples of old guilders can still be found in collections and museums.